Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you the most valuable digital marketing tool in the world and how I've used it to solve so many of the headaches that I used to have when I did digital marketing for clients and for my own business. My name is Brendan Murphy, and welcome to the Alchemy of Influence YouTube channel. Have you ever felt like you're being bled dry by your funnel software? You sign up for ClickFunnels, Go High Level, or Kajabi thinking it's going to be the solution to your business problems, but then you look at your monthly statement, $97, $297, sometimes even $497 every single month. And that's before you even factor in the extra email marketing software, the automation tools, or the hosting fees. It feels like running your business requires feeding this monster of subscriptions every single month. You get excited to grow, but the bigger your business becomes, the more your costs seem to skyrocket. You add 100 new subscribers to your list, and suddenly your email bill goes up. You build more funnels, and your platform tells you you've hit a limit unless you upgrade. Unless you're crushing it and getting a huge return on ad spend, it can be hard to justify. And the worst part? If you ever can't keep up with those payments, your funnels, your lifeline, just disappear. Now, picture the opposite of that. Imagine everything under one roof, one platform that runs your funnels, your websites, your automation, and your email list. Unlimited contacts, unlimited emails without paying per email sent. Your funnels and websites stay alive even if you pause your payments, so your business doesn't vanish if you take a break. And your pages load lightning fast, so you're not losing sales because of slow page load times. Instead of stressing every time you see a bill, you know exactly what your costs are, and they're a fraction of what you used to pay. That's what it feels like when you stop overpaying for software and start using the right system. And here's the reality. Not solving this problem comes with consequences. On average, small businesses spend over $14,000 a year on software subscriptions, and funnel platforms are a big part of that. And the costs don't stop at the subscription price. Every extra second it takes your funnel page to load can drop conversions by 7%. If your subscription lapses, many platforms hold your data hostage or wipe your funnels completely, costing you leads, sales, and sometimes months of work. If you don't get this under control, your software bill can end up eating into your profit way more than it should. The answer to all this is to use a platform called System.io. It's not just a funnel builder. It does so much more than that. It's ridiculous how many features it has. With it, you can also build multiple websites, send email blasts, build online video courses, and set up a scheduler for call bookings. And you can do all of that without using any other external tools. It's like a Swiss Army knife for online marketing. And the best part? It's way more affordable than any other platform. Their free forever plan gives you ridiculous value for no cost at all. And their most expensive plan is only $97 a month and basically gives you unlimited everything. Let's talk for a minute about the free forever plan, because it's actually pretty amazing what you get for free. This isn't a free trial that requires a credit card, gives you full access for 14 days, but then shuts down everything and locks you out if you cancel. No, it's way better than that. With the System.io free forever plan, you can build a full website in up to 3 funnels with unlimited video and file storage, integrate a custom domain, send unlimited email blasts to up to 2,000 contacts, set up a booking calendar so people can schedule appointments with you, take credit card, Apple Pay, and PayPal payments, run your own affiliate program, and even build a full online course with its own private, password-protected membership site and online community. Doing all of this in System.io is much easier and more straightforward than in WordPress or other free platforms. The reality is that if you're a beginner at online marketing, or maybe even intermediate, you may not need more than this. You can wait until after you start making sales to upgrade. You can use System.io to get paid before you ever pay for it, and you don't have to accomplish that inside an unrealistic 14-day trial window, then lose all your work if you cancel. If you've heard enough already and you want to sign up, click the link below in the description to get your free account right now. You have nothing to lose and there's no risk because it's totally free forever, not just a free trial. You'll be blown away by how much you can do with it. Now, here's what most people do to try and fix their expensive software stack problem. They bounce around from one expensive platform to another, hoping that the next one will be the magic fix. They go from Keep to ClickFunnels to Kartra to Go High Level to Kajabi, round and round in circles, never getting any of them to work. Or they cobble together a bunch of cumbersome tools from different companies, WordPress for the site, GoDaddy for hosting, MailChimp for emails, maybe a random plugin or two for funnels. Or they throw money at agencies, paying thousands for a done-for-you funnel that still locks them into expensive software. None of that really works for most people. You're still stuck paying hundreds of dollars every month, or you're trying to build a system that frankly just isn't easy to use. Frankensteining a bunch of tools together just creates more complexity, more integration nightmares, and more time wasted troubleshooting. And agencies? They can build you a shiny funnel, but they don't fix the core issue. You're still chained to a system that eats away at your profit. I personally use System.io to save over $3,000 a year compared to ClickFunnels and Go High Level. I've used those other platforms before, but I don't anymore. Over a decade, I could buy an extra car or make a down payment on a new house with the money I save. It integrates funnels, automation, websites, and unlimited emails with unlimited contacts. Your funnels and sites stay live even if you pause payments. It has advanced automation, more versatile design, and faster page load speeds. And when you step back, you'll see that System.io isn't just a cheaper option. It's a smarter option because it aligns with 4 principles that every online business needs to understand. The first principle is that simplicity beats complexity. Complexity is the silent killer of online businesses. Every time you add another platform to your software stack, you're adding another potential point of failure in your system, another password, another billing cycle, another set of updates that could break something, and worst of all, another piece of mental clutter you have to carry around. A lot of entrepreneurs don't realize how much energy is wasted just managing their tools. With System.io, you strip away the unnecessary moving parts. Your funnels, your websites, your emails, your courses, your video, and your essential automations all live in one ecosystem. That means fewer integrations to manage, fewer chances of something breaking, and way more mental clarity to focus on the part of your business that actually matters, serving your clients and generating revenue. The second principle is ownership matters. When you build your business on most platforms, you don't actually own it. Miss a payment or cancel your trial and your funnels disappear. Pause for a couple of months and your content is gone. That's like renting a house where the landlord can bulldoze it if you're just 1 hour late on rent. With System.io, your funnels and sites stay online even if you pause payments. You might lose the ability to edit or create new things, but what you've already built continues to function. That means your audience can still see your offers, you can still grow your email list and make sales, and your business doesn't grind to a halt just because life throws you a curveball. Real ownership is having the security that your digital assets won't vanish overnight. That peace of mind is priceless. The third principle is scalability without paying huge penalties. This one is huge. Most platforms punish you for growing. You hit a certain number of email subscribers and suddenly your costs double. You send too many emails and you're slapped with an overage bill. It's like being charged more for success. System.io flips that on its head. You can send unlimited emails to an unlimited list size and build unlimited funnels, automations, and courses with the $97 a month unlimited plan. That means you're free to grow as big as you want without worrying that your email bill is going to eat up your profits. And here's the hidden benefit. Because you're not penalized for sending more, you can actually communicate with your audience more often. And when you send more, you sell more. Growth should be encouraged and celebrated, not punished, and System.io gets that. The fourth principle is speed equals sales. Most entrepreneurs underestimate how much page speed matters. The data is clear. Every second your page takes to load, you lose around 7% of conversions. If your funnel is slow, you're losing leads and sales before people even see your offer. System.io has average page load times that beat ClickFunnels, Go High Level, and most other funnel builders. That directly impacts your revenue because a faster page isn't just a better user experience, it's more money in your pocket because money loves speed. These 4 principles, simplicity, ownership, scalability, and speed, are more than just nice ideas. They're the foundation of building a business that actually grows without eating you alive in costs or complexity. And they're the reason System.io isn't just another funnel builder. It's the fastest growing integrated digital marketing software suite in the world and has the highest user retention. It's just a smarter, higher value, and better solution all around. So how do you put this into action? The path is simple. First, audit your current software stack. Write down every single subscription you're paying for and calculate the monthly and yearly total. Most people are shocked when they see the number. It's probably more than your car payment. Second, get a free System.io account using the link in the description of this video. Third, move your funnels, website, automations, and email list into System.io. Take advantage of the simplicity and the savings. Fourth, reinvest the $3,000 or more you save every year into things that actually grow your business: ads, content creation, or mentorship. That's how you create a real return on your investment.